Well, here we are again, another Monday morning tech tip. Okay, this is going to be my last rant on PDFs, but this little program here should be one of your favorite all-time apps that you have in your arsenal of tools. This little program is called Skim. It's completely free. I'll give you a link where you can download it. It'll be on the blog there. I'm going to open up a PDF and explain to you what this does. Let's go open. Oh, there we go. Here. Here's a little simple PDF. Okay. So what's so neat about Skim? Well, it's this tool right here, or all of these right here, which makes Skim unlike any other PDF reader. Have you ever got a PDF form off the internet and you wished you could just fill it in on your computer and email it back without printing it out, filling it in with pen, and then faxing it back or rescanning it? Well, this is a solution to your problems. Let me explain some of these tools here. I'll just go through these quick and you can use them for what you like. Imagine you have your kids send you in documents in PDF form. This becomes a great tool now. This is used mainly in schools and universities, by the way, and scientific research uses this tons, this program called Skim. We have a number of tools here. First one's a text tool. So let's quickly create a text tool. And right here, I can add my text tool right here. And what this does is it creates an actual text box right in my PDF document. So this is a text box. Cool. Okay, I can resize this. I can move it anywhere I want. Oh, I made an extra one there. So I can add notes to any PDF I want. The next one here is what they call an anchored note. Now this is a little different than a text box. When I create an anchored note, you'll see right here that it creates a little note icon. So I can go down here by this graphic. Okay, I can put the note icon. I double click it, and in here I can go graphic, and down here I can choose an icon. Well, maybe I'll put a comment icon here, and I'll go, hey, this is a nice, whoops, nice, I'll get it, graphic. And I'll close this now. And so when somebody sees the note icon, they can, if they put your mouse hover above it, you'll see that my note pops up there. Or I can double click on it. It shows up here. So that's pretty neat. Okay, what else does this thing have? It has circles. I can go down here, grab my circle. I can come down here. I can circle something I might like. Or I can make a box. And I can take this and move it around. Maybe I want to put a box around this text right here. And I can highlight. Now this is really cool. Watch this. I'm going to change my tool to highlight. And now, when I select text, watch what happens. Amazing. It highlights the text. If you're reading a PDF document and you want to highlight certain things in it, here you go. You can highlight it. You can put a note by it. Endless possibilities. Not only can you use yellow to highlight, you can go over to your tools, you can show colors, and now you can say, the next thing I want to highlight, maybe I'd like it in purple. And so now when I highlight this, oh, let's go back here to purple. Click it, there's purple. So now I've highlighted with yellow and purple. Neat. Okay, I also have my little underline. And the same thing applies here. If I highlight this, you can see that it underlined documents. Another nice tool right here, strikeout. If you don't like a certain word in the document, you can select that and you can see right away it strikes it out. Oh, I don't like that word. I don't like that word. Strikes them off. One other thing this one does is lines. This is really cool. So I can click, drag a line. So there's a line with an arrow on it. I'll go back and add a text box. I can come up here, go. Nice graphic. And there is my text box and a line pointing to the graphic with my comment, all on this PDF file. So huge possibilities here if you save your files as PDF. One last thing here, freehand. Freehand, just like it sounds, I can take here, I can draw a circle around this, I can go down, I can move that circle afterwards, so I can go ahead and draw you know, some more stuff here. I can doodle on it like I was a kid. I can go back here, click on the object and delete it if I don't want it there anymore. So lots of possibilities, lots of neat things you can do with this tool. Now, if I go save right now, I save my document. Now, let's suppose you send this PDF to someone else and they have preview. And so I'm going to open up preview and I'm going to go open, and that's in my documents folder. So I'm going to go down here to documents, and here's my about stacks. I open it up and oh, wait a minute, nothing's there. All those things I did in skim right there are not here. In a way, that's kind of nice. It actually saves it in a certain resource fork in the file, which doesn't show up in browsers, other PDF browsers or viewers, and so that's okay. But if you open it back up in skim, you'll have all your markings there, just like it looked like in skim. Now, let's say you want to send this to somebody that doesn't have skim, or they don't know anything about skim, and you just want to send it to them so they have the PDF marked up just the way it is. So that's really simple. Instead of going to save, you go to export, and you export this file, and right here you have some choices. You can export it as a PDF that won't take any of the markings with it, as a PDF bundle, which kind of works with skim and other things. The one you probably would be most interested in is this PDF with embedded notes. Now, if I save this as a PDF with embedded notes, and I'll save this as About Stacks 2 so I don't overwrite my old one. Okay, that's saved now. I'm going to go back to preview. Here's the About Stacks, the original one. And if I go open, and this About Stacks 2 right here, and I double click it, hey, there's all my stuff. And so now you can make all these markups, highlights, underlines, strikeouts, highlight notes, and send it to someone. They open it in preview, they see all the comments, diagrams, text boxes, everything that you put on. If they click the note right here, oh, right over here, shows up, graphic. Hey, this is a nice graphic. Okay, right there. So, some pretty neat stuff. Great tool. Go download it. You can use it on all kinds of things. Like I say, if you have forms off the internet you need to fill in, this is the perfect tool. You just create a text box, start typing, and of course you don't have to have it colored in there. I can go back to my colors here, And I can say, make that white. And you see that makes it nice and white so it blends in with the page you're writing on. Great tool. Go give it a try. And that's your Monday morning tech tip. Have a great day.